Hello, hi, dua salam namaste. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Badass Motors. And today video is going to be really special. It's related to one accessories which I'm going to install on my bike Triumph Speed400. And next part, which next video or next footage which you are going to see is of that brand new accessory which I brought. It's a big box and I have ordered it from Saiga Parts. So few of you might be having got an idea of what I have ordered. See, look at the size of this box. Okay, it's almost equal to my seat size. We'll show you what I have ordered, but before that, the cost for this product is 974 rupees. The cost price is 950 rupees and 25 rupees is shipping charges. See, you can look at it, 949. And from the website from which I have ordered is this Saiga Parts. So this is that part which I have ordered, which we call it tank tie for Triumph Speed400, and it has got this Triumph tape behind, and which I am going to stick it on my bike. So this is it. Now going to install this on my tank. So after sticking, it will look like this. It may differ, like I have not sticked it till now, so you can look at the structure, how it is made. So it has this. So the issue which I am facing, I already have this tank pad, so I am thinking to stick it like this. So this is how it looks after installing the tank pad. The opinion may differ from person to person. So the product quality is really good. See, it has not stick from here properly because I already had that tank pad, but rest you can see it looks perfect. You can see the shape, it's matching there. Because why I've installed it, because sometimes there's a pillion behind and I have my office bag, so I need to take my bag in front. So that is the reason it started to get, because of the rubber and all, my color started to get little dull. So I've installed this. So thank you for watching this video. I will show you from far how it looks. So thank you for watching this video.